Hi, this is Rami with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Today I'm here with Edgar. Fourth vehicle purchase from Phillips. Fourth vehicle purchase from Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Today he actually traded out of his 2016 Chevy Impala and purchased a 2017 Chevy Traverse LT. Edgar, we appreciate you, man. That's one reason why we're number one, because of people like you that keep buying from us. Thank you so much for your business. We appreciate you. How was your experience with us today, sir?
Oh, great. Awesome. Couldn't go anywhere else. You guys are great.
Appreciate it, man. Congratulations. Thank you so much for the business. We'll see you in a couple months.
Yeah, of course.
There you go, a couple months. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come see us at Phillips Chevrolet. Get yourself a Chevy Traverse 2017s are running out. Thank you.